Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a public group on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app and tap the plus icon to create a new space. Next, select Group, Chat, or Create Room and add at least one person to initialize it. Then go to Group Settings, find Privacy, and switch the group to public so others can find and join easily from search or shared links. Now set up your group details in a friendly way that helps others discover and join. Pick a short descriptive name and write a clear description with relevant keywords so the group appears in search. Upload a memorable image or logo to the group photo so people instantly recognize the topic when browsing results or suggestions. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful videos. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort that lasts through long recording sessions and daily walks. Check the description for the link and other deals, consider grabbing a pair, and now let's get back to the video. To keep the group healthy, assign 1 or 2 moderators to enforce rules and help new members. Pin a welcome post that explains the group purpose, guidelines, and how to participate. Promote the group by sharing the public join link in your bio, stories, and other social channels so interested people can find and join quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.